Hey guys, are you looking out for some revisions on CA Foundation? I'm talking about this attempt, and I'm talking about a paper which is known as Principles and Practice of Accounting. Over the period of time, I have realized that somewhere down the line, हमारे foundation में accounts के concept बहुत weak रह जाता है, and this is going to hurt us when we come to inter, when we come to final. So मैंने सोचा इस time I'm going to conduct free revision sessions for CA Foundation students for this attempt. And these sessions are going to be live. Moreover, ये sessions चालू होंगे 1st of June से, and these sessions are going to be on every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, alternate day on my YouTube channel by evening 7 o'clock. So 7 o'clock, 7 to 8:30, 7 to 9, 1.5-2 घंटे के revisions करेंगे. पूरे ICI के मॉड्यूल से revisions करेंगे, theory topics cover करेंगे, practical topics cover करेंगे, and I'm going to cover your entire portion. And this is going to be absolutely free. I'm not charging you anything. Yes, definitely I'm looking forward to creating a base जहाँ से आपके concept strong हो जाए, आप अपने foundation में अच्छा score करें, and that's going to be the way. Clear? So what are you waiting for? Just subscribe to my channel now, and from 1st of June, every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, free sessions on our YouTube channel for your foundation. So guys, see you there.